Hello and welcome. The Sinecoder here, and in today's video, we're going to build on the SineSynth from our previous tutorial. This time, we'll improve its envelope shape by replacing the fixed ASR with the Faust n.ADSR envelope. I'll show you how to integrate these two languages. Let's get started. Write a simple ADSR processor in Faust and gen the Cmajor code from Faust Web IDE. Take the generated folder and add it to the Cmajor project. You can navigate to the generated folder and check if it's running. It's a process block. To compile multiple files, you need to configure the source in SineSynth.cmajorpatch. It's going to be an array of the .cmajor file paths, with the main .cmajor file as the reference. Put the square brackets and list the files, in this case, Faust_ADSR/Faust_ADSR.cmajor. Now, you can instantiate the processors from other files. Since we already know that the ADSR processor goes in the voice graph, we can instantiate it there. We have input events that don't indicate which parameters they control. And since it's a voice processor, we need these parameters to be controlled from the main synth graph. Let's copy the input events from the ADSR processor and rename them accordingly to make it clearer. In Faust ADSR, Cmajor, we're going to rename the input events, getting rid of the annotations. Observation: we won't use the gate input event, and also rename its event handlers. Also, copy these to the voices input, because we can't access subgraph nodes. We need to trigger the ADSR with the node events. So, we declare another input to the Faust ADSR processor. Add an event handler for it with simple logic. This will trigger the ADSR when a node is pressed. Then, just connect everything. Next, we'll replace the envelope processor with the Faust one. We'll take the output event from the Faust processor, Faust.output0, and multiply it with the oscillator. Comment out every place where the fixed ADSR is used, and things that we didn't use like the gate events and their handlers. The knobs on the interface aren't in the correct order. To fix this, simply declare them in the correct order. We can hear that the sliders aren't smooth. We could use si.smo. Another problem I still don't know how to fix is the clicking sound that occurs when pressing notes quickly and exceeding the number of voices the synth can handle, which is 8. I think this happens because a voice hasn't finished yet. To demonstrate what I'm talking about, I will set the voice count to 2 and increase the release time. I'm still learning the language through making these videos. Right now, my solution is to increase the number of voices. Please leave your suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like.